Ino is a street show. It's about 50 minutes, and we play this show in different countries like France, Spain, Italy, Germany. We are 7 women on stage, and we didn't want to talk about especially about women, but as we are all women, that the subject comes out a bit, and then we are exploring how to exchange roles.
We started the Creation project giving propositions of our way of work. Each of us has his own universe, and then we mixed all these propositions with the parts that were more like they were more important for us, and they were expressing something that had meaning for us. Some names of people that helped us were Kim Giron, Alba Sarraute, Roser Lopez, Christine Desbois. Even if at the end we think that we were our own directors.
We all met in different places, like we didn't know really each other before the first residency, so we met with Eva, one of the collective, and basically we all had different obstacles that blocked us from doing what we wanted, and was partner acrobatics. Whether it was because we were considered too small to base, or too big to fly, or we had bad relations with bases. So we had different kind of problems that we could solve by doing this collective of women together.
In the identity of the collective, it's important for us to keep in process the creation, because for us it's important that the show grows with us. Like if we change, it's normal that the show change. For now, we didn't start already to work on the indoor version. We will start on September. In the outdoor show, we use the audience as a partner, yes, and we want to explore more this in the indoor show.
That also we want to take advantage of the fact of going back to creation to adapt the show, because we realized, like, it's still a discussion between us, but we realized the living shows and living arts is not equal for everybody to be in the audience. So we would like to adapt the show for sensorial diversity first, so blind people or visually impaired, or deaf people, or hearing impaired people. And so it's still something we have to do. We want to do a formation to know how to do this and to do it well.
Circ was one of the first places who support us and who trust in our project. It happens for different reasons that we need a place for rehearsal, and we need different kind of support, and it's a place we know we can count on. They also were very open to give us advice, for example, for the process of writing the dossier, for just share with us as the experience of being a company.
Yes, the most important is they trust our project, and for us this is really important.